Alright, welcome back guys. I got a quick video for you today. I'm gonna keep it short. I got this chin mount for my helmet here. This is helmet specific, meaning that it has a shape of your helmet. So you go on their website and you choose what kind of helmet you have, and they're gonna send you the one that's made for your helmet specifically. So as you can see, it is curved just the same way as a helmet is. So mine is a Shoei RF1200, and as you can see, it's curved this way and as well this way too. So look how nice this fits here. Bam. Okay, the very first step is to clean the surface. Very important to do. And then make sure it dries very good, or you can use like a lint-free towel. This is for glass, it doesn't leave lint. Okay, so the helmet is clean here, but before I put this on, they want you to heat up this sticky thing for half a minute to a minute. And then hold it for about half a minute to make sure it sticks on good. Look at that fit, that fits on really nice. That's what's so cool about this mount. It forms the shape of the helmet. All this time I've been using like the regular ones. It works okay. They're not perfect. As you can see, it has a little gap here in the corners. And also the plastic on this one, it looks different. It looks like a stronger kind of plastic. Okay, so this is all set now. I'm gonna open this guy here. This is where the camera mounts. So this guy, I'm gonna put it on roughly, and then I'm gonna have to test out the camera a few times to see the angle. Where do I want it? I'm kind of doing this temporary now. Bada bing, bada boom. And this was a little bit pricey. These two thingies, they were like 40 bucks. I know it's a little pricey, but once again, nothing beats this fit here. So just go on their website and pick out your helmet, and you're gonna get a nice chin mount. And also they don't want you to ride it with it for 24 hours, so it sticks on good, so it doesn't fly off obviously. And then they give you this guy as a backup. This has a sticker, you can like stick it on somewhere in the helmet with this rope and tie your camera in case, you know, something goes bad here while you're doing like 200-300 miles an hour. If something was to break or whatever, you're gonna have this rope here for backup, like smacking the camera like this in the wind. All right, that's gonna be it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.